everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Bites and Breaks. So for today, we're doing something we don't usually do. I'm going on a solo date for today. So alam nyo naman tayo, we're a hardcore family-oriented person. We do almost everything with our family. Pero for today, ako lang muna ang lalakad. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo! Okay, nandito na tayo sa loob ng mall. And since we're alone today, I figured we can try different things, no? Pwede na natin i-try yung mga, let's say, coffee shop na hindi pa namin na-try before. And maybe a restaurant that I want to go to that we've never tried before pagkasama yung kids. So, we'll see. We have that kind of freedom for today to do whatever we want to do. So, tara! Okay, our first stop for today is itong Elephant Grounds. I've heard good things about their coffee, so try natin siya. We haven't really tried this yet, kaya subukan natin siya ngayon. Sabi masarap daw yung sea salt latte nila rito. So let's try it. Okay, here's our sea salt latte. Try natin siya kung masarap. Okay, let's try our sea salt latte. Uy, masarap na. Their coffee is strong. Haluin pa natin para malasahan natin pinaka-sea salt na. It's really good. I like it. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-coffee. Let's go to our next stop. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-coffee. So, let's go on a sniffing sesh dito sa Zara. So, they have good, affordable perfumes na okay for everyday use. Marami silang dupes. Medyo maraming tao today. But, yeah. Ito ang favorite ni Surreal, Wonder Rose. This is also good. Fields at Nightfall. And let's see. They have yung Golden Decade. This is a good dupe for YSL Libre. Okay, tapos na tayo dun sa Zara. Grabe, ang bango talaga ng mga perfume nila, ang mura pa. So now, I think I wanna go to Mitsukoshi. Ikot-ikot tayo dun sa Nitori. It's a gloomy day. Hopefully, hindi siya umulan. But yeah, I just wanna walk around for today. And we had good coffee. And now, ikot-ikot lang tayo. Okay, we made it to Mitsukoshi Mall. Pasok na tayo. I think Nitori is on the 3rd floor. Akyat tayo. Uy, may nadaanan tayong store that sells HomeSense. Siyempre, hindi natin papalagpasin to. They have perfumes here as well. Sniff sesh ulit. Amber, that one is good. This one is really good too. Mimosa. Uy, ito rin ang bango. And then, what are these? Perfume as well. Solaris. It's good. May mga candles din sila, oh. You know, I love scented candles and perfume. Talagang grabe. Pag may nadaan ako, kailangan hihinto ako para i-check sila. Yung, if you guys are familiar with Simoy ng Haraya, yung Benguet Market nila na candle, sobrang bango nun. Let's check what else they have here. Ito, meron pa. Oh, yung bango nito, honey and spice. This smells so good. How much is this? 606, not bad. And then, I think may mga ganito rin sila, mga room and linen spray. Ayan. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Nitori. Tingin-tingin tayo. Let's window shop. Window shop lang ha. Ganda ng mga plates nila. And magaan. Dito ako nakabili nung nung gamit ko na pillow. They have really nice pillows. Super cool. So para malamig kahit matagal ka na nakahiga. Let's look at their fitted sheets. $199. I need king size. For pillows. Ayan, ito na yung mga pillows nila. Ayun, ito yung pillow ko. Grabe, gustong gusto ko to kasi ano siya, firm. Ayoko nung malambot eh. Sobrang comfortable niyan. Tingin ko na tayo. I think this is the same. Ganda talaga ng pillows nila. Too soft.
Hi. Hi.
I wanna change our dining table. Gusto ko yung maliit lang. Kasi ang laki ng dining table namin ngayon. Para masyado siyang malaki para sa size ng bahay namin. Ito, simple lang, no? Tapos tatlo lang kami. And I like the chair. Ay, ang cute din ito. Kaso ang baba. Malaki nga lang din siya. It looks nice. Ito rin. Simple lang. Let's go to HomeSense. Ayan, my section. Ang bango nito. Lemongrass. This one is really good too. May mga reed diffuser din sila. Mura lang oh. $5.99. Spritzer. Oh my god, this smells so good. Parang ginawa natin the whole day mag-sniffing session. What else? Then let's try this one. Oh, bago. Candles. What's this? Uy, wow. Smells so good. Maybe let's get one and try it kung mabango. Kasi yung ibang nabibili ko minsan na ganyan, alam mo yung hot throw niya, mahina lang. Ang mga subok na talaga is, of course, Yankee Candle, Bath and Body Works, ano pa ba? Dati may paborito ko yung Yoki Candles. I think local sila, kaso nagsara na. Ang babango din ng candles nila. Yeah. Anyway, sige. Ikot-ikot pa tayo dito and then let's go to our next stop. Okay, tapos na tayo rito sa Nitori. Let's go to our next stop. Okay, tapos na tayo rito sa Mitsukoshi. Napuntahan ko na rin yung lahat ng kailangan kong puntahan. So I think balik na tayo sa High Street. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Forbes Town here in BGC. Let's look for a place for our late lunch. Gutom na ako kaya kain na tayo. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa Pizzulu. Dito tayo magla-lunch for today. Actually, I've been wanting to try this restaurant pero I don't know, for some reason hindi namin napupuntahan. So today may chance tayo. Let's try it. Tingnan natin yung menu nila and then let's order. Their brunch looks good. But of course, we're here to try their pizza and pasta. Baked brie, that looks good. Okay, this caught my eye kagad. 4-cheese pizza. Okay, that's what we'll have. And then white truffle, that looks good. Black truffle then. I wonder what's better. Tanong natin sila. They have rice bowls then, and they have dessert. Okay. There. I think we're ready to order. Yeah, okay. Order na tayo. Okay, nandito na yung order natin. We have the 4-cheese pizza and their black truffle pasta something. Pero masarap daw yan. So, let's try it. Kain na tayo. Okay, so start na tayo. Hopefully, naririnig nyo ako and hindi ganun kaingay. Mas gusto ko rito sa labas kasi mas maliwanag. And presko naman ngayon. Okay? So, start tayo sa 4-cheese pizza nila. Try muna natin ng walang truffle, honey. Masarap. I like it. Lagyan natin truffle, honey. Okay. Let's try it. Oh my God. Ang sarap ng truffle honey nila. That's really good. Pati yung crust ng pizza ang sarap. Now let's try the pasta. Okay. Oopsie. Here we go. I can really taste the truffle. And it's creamy. Ang sarap. Parang ang affordable dito. Imagine, this personal pizza is just $2.55. Pasta is good. Pero, ang winner is this pizza. Grabe, ang sarap. Lalo na tong truffle honey nila. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, kain muna ako. Okay, so tapos na tayo kumain. Inaantay ko na lang yung bill. Grabe, sobrang na-enjoy ko today. Alam mo yon, masarap pagkasama yung buong family. Pero iba din yung gantong experience na ikaw lang. Like, you can decide in a snap kung saan mo gustong pumunta, kung saan mo gustong kumain. I really enjoyed today, kaya ginagawa ko to every now and then. So anyway, yun lang for today. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo. I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!